Hello! Welcome back to my channel. Hi. How's it going? I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Do you think this frame is too I almost feel like maybe I should... Just a second. Okay, now I'm a little farther away because today we will be doing a unboxing, styling, trying on haul video. That sounded like a Wish product title. Unboxing, try on review video, princess green, pink, anime shirt. Today we're going to be opening a package from, you guessed it, Dolls Kill. This package is absolutely freaking enormous. Last time they sent me a big box. This time they sent me this huge bag. It's really, really heavy. Like, really heavy. And probably really loud. Sorry about that. But yeah, today we're going to be doing more Dolls Kill. Why? Because I like Dolls Kill. And I am an adult and I can do whatever I want. So there, okay? Okay. Alright, let's just get into this. Obviously we have to use the dagger because I don't know anyone else who uses a dagger to open their boxes. So I'm special. Alright, I actually don't think I need a dagger, but it's just more fun this way, okay? Oh boy, it's so colorful, guys. You can't really see, but there are some colors. I think that we should just start with the shoes because, as you may know, I have a shoe problem. You might not know that I have a shoe problem, but I have a shoe problem. I have like 40 pairs of shoes, so, you know, what's one more? Alright, so here's the box. It's like a little smushed, I think, just because it was in the bag with all the other ones, but I assume the shoes will be fine. This is apparently by the brand Cupid, but like with a Q. And you know what I mean? And these are a size 7. So yes. Oh, I'm so excited. Should I show you? Okay. Ready? Wow! Tissue paper. Ooh, those are smelly. Look at that though. Wow, I'm excited. Alright, I'm gonna put them down for a second so I can show you this shoe. It's so thick. It smells smelly. It also looks potentially like maybe someone has worn these shoes before. Just not gonna lie, they're a little dirty. Yeah, so they're these beautiful platform sneakers. They kind of remind me of like a Vans style shoe, just with the fact that they're like the black, white laces, got the white designs on the side. They're quite chunky. I'm not exactly sure how thick this heel is, or this platform is. Like, I don't know exactly like how tall I'll be in them, but like I'm pretty damn excited to wear these. I don't own anything like this as of yet, so there we are. Shoes. I'm gonna be so tall. Alright, so the next item is this skirt. You might have seen people trying on this skirt or the purple version of this skirt around the internet a couple months ago when Dolls Kill came out with their Delia's collaboration, as you can tell by this little tag. Also, the cute thing is the zipper has the little like Delia's flower charm on it, which is cute. I personally didn't own any Delia's clothes because when Delia's was a thing, I was too little for it to matter. And also, I think most of my clothes came from like Old Navy probably when I was little, or like Sears. I don't know. I was not like a true like 90s kid because I was born in 98. So like really I was more like a 2000s kid. But I like still knew about 90s stuff because I was old enough by like the 2000s to understand the 90s existed. Also because I didn't have any money, so we definitely dressed in like 90s clothes even though it was the 2000s, at least for some good chunk of time. Anyway, so this skirt, I got this in a size medium. It's this material that's like, okay, so like I thought it would be more like tight leathery. I don't know how to explain that, like a thicker leather, but it's actually quite like, it's softer on the inside, and then it's got this like really shiny, almost like raincoat material on the outside. A lot of people that I saw trying on this skirt or like the other version of this skirt said that it ran kind of small, so I ordered it in a medium in hopes that it will fit me The other thing is I'm not like super like I'm like small, but I'm not tiny, you know what I'm saying? Like, my tummy is a little squishy, so I'm not sure how well it will fit on me because the only people that I've seen trying it on are people who don't really have a tummy at all. So I'm interested to see how that will look on me, especially if they found it to be tight. But yeah, I'm excited to wear this, and if I like it, I might even wear it on my birthday. I just realized that these bags have like a openy bit, and I didn't have to put holes in all of them. Alright, so the next item that I got is actually 2 items. It is a matching set. We have this little top here. It's got a zipper, the same little flower charm as that was on the last skirt. A little collar. It's sort of like a vest, I guess. It's got like sort of a thicker material, not quite as thick as like a jean material, but sort of similar to like pants. But yeah, here's the top. This is also the Delia's collection, if I didn't mention that. I think I did. And then there is a skirt underneath. This is not a skirt, it is a skirt. The front is cute. It has a little button here so it looks like a skirt, and then you flip it up and it's actually shorts, and I'm not really sure how I feel about that, but it looked cute on the model. It also has a zipper in the back to get in and out. I also ordered these in a medium. I don't know about you, but like I feel like this looks really large. Like maybe when I put it on it won't seem as large, but this just seems like quite wide. But since I didn't think it would be very stretchy, I decided to order in a medium, and I hope it fits, and if it doesn't I might have to send it back. Bottom, top. I'm really bad at holding up things. Yes, there's that. It's cute. I don't know, on camera it's showing up like much more like orange, but it's actually more of a pink color. But yeah. The last but certainly not least is this item. It's probably the item I'm most excited for, because it's the reason I decided to just do another Dolls Kill shopping spree, basically, because I saw a couple other people styling this piece and I was just like, I want to try it. It's cute. So this is by Current Mood. It's very loud. You can probably hear it. It's also really heavy. But it is this cropped sweatshirt. It has like quite a good hood with like a little bit of fuzziness inside of it. It has this ring here, and this is actually unclippable, so you could just not wear the chains. But it has these chains, I think there's 3 of them, that hang down, maybe 4, I don't know, there's a couple, and they hang down, oh there's 4, yeah. This is so hard to hold, oh my god. This is super heavy too, but like as you can see it's like super cropped. Like the top of it is like even more cropped than the back of it. And I don't know, I just thought it would be fun to wear, even though I'll be like the loudest individual ever. Also, I just like the idea of like cropped black hoodies. But yeah, so here's that. And I ordered this one, I think, in a small because, yeah, I ordered this in a small because everyone else was like roughly my height that I saw, and they ordered a small, and I figured like it's gonna be here, so like I don't have to worry about the boob area being too small or too big, really, because they're not covered. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna move into styling these things because as much as I enjoy trying things on, I really like putting outfits together. Alrighty, so here's the outfit. I quite like it. I feel very like 1960s babe. Just the clothes real quick, if you're wondering, these socks I bought from Wish a while ago. These are actually my Maka Allbarn cosplay shoes. I bought them from Amazon for like 20 bucks or whatever. I quite like them. They're a little bit dirty now after like conventioning and whatnot. But that's what's not Dolls Kill about this. Anyway, so then this actual outfit, I think that the medium for the top was quite a good idea, actually. It fits my boobs pretty well. It probably could be a little bit smaller, but I think if I went for a small, that wouldn't work. And then the bottoms are definitely too big. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but there's just a lot of fabric here. It would definitely need to be like pulled in quite a bit, I think. So I might have to return this and get a small, I think, because I don't really want to alter this myself. But I think I look very cute, and I'm a fan of this outfit so far. Other than the fact that the bottoms are too small, I think this is pretty cute though. So, yeah. skirt. Before we even get into anything, this skirt is so loud every time I move. I don't know if you can hear that, but like I don't know how you're supposed to really wear this because it's really, really sheer. Like, I don't know if you can tell. I had to put on lighter underwear just so it wouldn't be as obvious, but even then I think I would need to wear something under this because you can just see the panty lines for sure. And it's just very slippery. It kind of rides up a bit when you walk. Like, I feel like I'm gonna have to pull it down a lot. I don't know. So I decided to style this skirt with these white Adidas that I have. Also my little white daisy socks from Dolls Kill that you might have saw in my last Dolls Kill video. I've got this little white top on. You see it has like these little shoulders. Very cute. Got that from PacSun. I thought it could use some sort of layer. So we've got this jean jacket, which I'm not sure where it's from exactly, but I know I saw one just like at Old Navy. It's just kind of a jean jacket. And then I've got this little pastel choker. Not sure where I got that either. Maybe PacSun. Not sure. But yeah, daisy choker, daisy socks. But yeah, so here's this outfit for you guys. I hope you like it. I'm not really sure about the skirt though. Maybe if I had something to like keep it down, then I would be more into it. I don't know. Also, do you ever just like try things on and you're like, this doesn't look as cute as the person that I saw wearing it looked. Like, I saw some on Instagram with a skirt and I was like, damn, that's cute. And I'm wearing it now and I think, could be better, you know? Alright guys, this is the final outfit and I kind of am in love with it. There are thumb holes in this sweater. I'm like 6 feet tall in these shoes. Kind of loving it. Also, these chains are really loud and cold on my tummy, so keep that in mind if you're looking for this outfit. However, the top is very cozy, and if I want to be super edgy, I can put my hood up, and then I'm really cool. So yeah. These pants are from American Eagle. Obviously, sweater and shoes are from Dolls Kill. This little top is actually from Dolls Kill as well. It's something I bought when I returned my, that like awful pink top from my last Dolls Kill video that I just hated. I bought this. It's actually in the large, so what I've done is I've like, sewed little stitches on the side and just like folded it up to make it a little bit more cropped. And then these fishnet tights I actually got from Primark when I was in Ireland. So yeah, this is this look. I do have a little choker on, but you really can't tell, and I don't know where that came from. But like, this is so high, you wouldn't be able to tell anyway. But I feel really cool. I'm like also a little bit cold around my midsection, but also like, dude, like, I am the coolest. I am the coolest. I feel like I need like black nail polish and like, I don't know. I also feel like this outfit could use a little bit more color. Like, I've got the color going on in the face, but I feel like it could use like some fun socks or like bright nail polish or like, I don't know, something like that. But yeah, I don't know what you guys think of this outfit, but I think it's pretty cool. I love that Dolls Kill allows me to like be cutesy, but also like really like intense and aggressive and badass. Like, I just really enjoy that. So yes, so here's this outfit. Alright guys, so that has been my Dolls Kill style try-on video thing. I know that the lighting just randomly changed for this last outfit because the black and like white combination was just like completely washed out and you could not tell what was going on, and I'm sorry that I don't know, earlier I was like, yeah, I don't need to white balance, everything looks great, and then obviously like things changed and I moved the camera and all that, so you know. But yeah, let me know what outfit was your favorite, if you think that you would wear any of these outfits. Also, just like this, like the hood. Literally the only thing about this sweater that I'm not in love with is the fact that like I'm cold because of these chains. But also the fact that they're loud. A lot of these outfits I've noticed are just kind of a little bit loud. But yes, thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!